सो हाय, माय नेम इज़ अंकुर प्रसाद एंड मैंने एचटीएमएल सीएसएस पढ़ के ख़त्म कर दिया है और अब मैं सोच रहा हूँ कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाने के लिए बिफोर जंपिंग इनटू द जावास्क्रिप्ट पार्ट एंड इन प्रोजेक्ट आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ बिल्डिंग Amazon clone because it is one of the most clustered and complex project which is there in the web. If you look at the Amazon homepage, it feels very simple at first glance. It contains this Amazon logo and this delivery icon and this search bar and this flag and this language, and there is account signing option and cart and many other things. This is a navigation bar. First, this is a box. Inside a box, this is a giant hero banner where the shopping cart sit directly on top of the image, this one. And these are the products which are lined by very neatly and a massive footer with link everywhere. So let's arrange all these pieces cleanly without breaking the puzzle. So let's make an file of index.html name. So our HTML file is ready. Now let's add the CSS file. So our CSS page is also linked. Now let's start the project. So the base of the navbar is almost ready, and now it's time to add some element into it. So yeah, let's get started.
A few moments later.
So the error has occurred now. So let me show you the error. So the deliver to option is below in the option. So I have to shift it from here to here. So let's see what we can do.
3 hours later.
So our navigation bar is almost ready, and it took me almost 3 hours to complete this navigation bar. So this is how navigation bar looks like. Let's add other element to it.
Six hours later.
So it's almost 6 hours when I started this project. In HTML, I have written around 242 lines, and in style sheet, I have written around 249 line. And the project is ready. Let me show you the project. So this is a project which I have made it, and it's just an skeleton where I have added header. This one is the header, this one is the main line, and this one is the footer. So I have only added the skeleton. The button didn't work. All these buttons are not functionable because I haven't included any JavaScript part. So you all are thinking, why to make website which didn't work, or which actually didn't do any function? So the answer to the question is, I built the website, and this is my first website which I have made it without any vibe coding or any other tool. So it wasn't actually fun, and it boosts my morale to build more website like this. So yeah, thank you for watching my video, and if you are new here, make sure to like and subscribe.